way to California. Time check 8:15 p.m. We will be going to Ontario, California. I'm here tonight with JM, my very supportive girlfriend. It's just us two tonight. Kuya John is not with us. So the reason why we are going to Ontario tonight, it's because there's a off-road meet tomorrow called Rodeo and Rigs. Okay, it will take us at least 3 or 4 hours going to Ontario right now. So since I won't be able to shoot tomorrow because of my knee.
What happened?
You know, I don't want to know.
Update them.
No, I don't want to update.
So guys, there's an update.
Okay, so yeah, because I cannot shoot tomorrow, we're just gonna go to California so we can use the day off. Are you excited?
Yeah.
We are here at Baker, California. Time check 9:49. 9:50. Okay, so we're gonna fill up because as you can see from Vegas to Baker, we are half tank. $50 half tank. Wow, a lot of Tesla. Bye guys. Good morning guys, time check 12:11. We just got here at Norco, California. We're gonna wash the car real quick, the FJ, before we go to the hotel. Hey! Bilis mo! Bilis mo!
Lapit lang.
Marvin, thanks for coming! Alright, so let's wash the rig real quick. Alright, good morning. We are on the way to Rodeo and Rigs. How was your sleep?
Good.
Huh? Good? Alright, let's go! Tapos, sa catering. Dito, pasok dito?
Yeah, pasok ka dyan, tapos mag-left ka.
Okay.
Okay.
So we went to an off-road meet and she got a tea. Kit Kat. Go! Oh shit! Put it here. You okay? That is Rodeo and Rigs. We just got done. We just left Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Thank you for joining us in our last minute California trip. Bye! See you on the next vlog. Bye!